Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how to share Apple Music with family. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy sharing Apple Music with family. First, what you need to do is just simply set up family sharing. How you can set it up, just simply go ahead and go to settings, and you need to go to your Apple ID account. And right over here, you'll see the option of family. Just go ahead and press on family. And right over here, you just got to set up family sharing. So yeah, here we go. Now you have to press continue and you need to set up family sharing. And here, as you can see, once your family setting is set it up, now you gotta invite a family member. So inviting a family member is very easy. You can just press on invite others, and after pressing on that, you'll see an option of inviting others, or you can just invite in person, and you can airdrop message by just doing that. So once you've invited that, they will receive a message on their Gmail or their phone, whatever. So yeah, once this is done, they will be shown on your this tab right over here that they have joined it. So once they have joined it, okay, now you just gotta go back as your family has set it up, and here as you can see your family plan has set it up and you're the organizer, and now you don't have any current subscriptions. And what you need to do is first subscribe to Apple Music family plan. So if you go to subscriptions right over here, you don't have any subscription plans, but what you gotta do is get Apple Music's family plan. So you just gotta go to Apple Music and you'll see the family plan over there. And yeah, we just gotta open Apple Music and buy the family plan over there, or you could just find it from somewhere else and get the family plan. Once you get it, you just gotta go back to your family section again, and right over here you have to go to purchase sharing, and just make sure that you have turned on your you have added your payment method. Obviously without that you cannot do that. And yeah, but right over here you'll see an option of purchase sharing right over here. So you gotta turn this option on. Obviously you'll have to need your credit card in it, and then what this does, it will just share everything that you've bought for your family. So you can just share Apple Music with your family as well by just doing these steps. And yeah, once it's done, you're good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this really helped you out.